Hello friends, welcome to Simple Grammar. Today we are going to discuss about the question tag. It's a common practice in conversation to make statement and ask for confirmation. Question tags are short questions used at the end of the statement to ask for confirmation. The question tags are generally used in spoken English. For example, it's very hot, isn't it? The later part, isn't it, is called a question tag. We should use this short question at the end of the statement to ask for confirmation. Well, let's see the basic structure of the question tag. The basic structure of the question tag is a positive statement, negative tag, negative statement, positive tag. Let's move to the rules to use a question tag. Rule 1. If the statement is positive, the question tag should be negative. The pattern followed by a negative question tag is a auxiliary plus not plus subject. For example, it's raining. The statement is positive, so the tag should be negative. Auxiliary is plus not plus subject it, isn't it? Come to next example. Sheila can swim well. Can't she? Remember that the subject of the question tag is always pronoun. Let's come to second rule. If the statement is negative, the question tag should be positive. The pattern followed by a positive question tag is auxiliary plus subject. For example, you aren't a teacher. The statement is negative, so the tag should be positive. You aren't a teacher. Are you? Auxiliary are plus subject you. Next, Raghu won't read this book, will he? Let's move to third rule. If the main part of the sentence doesn't contain an auxiliary verb, the question tag is constructed with do, does or did form according to the tense of the verb in the sentence. If the verb is in simple present, use do or does forms. Or if the verb is in simple past, then use did form. For example, your sister cooks well, doesn't she? Look at the example. The verb cooks in the statement is in simple present tense. So we should construct question tag with the does form. Next example. Raju broke the glass, didn't he? Here the verb broke is in simple past. Use did form. Come to next example. You play guitar, don't you? The verb play is in simple present, so use do form. Let's learn fourth rule. There are certain exceptions in the usage of question tags that doesn't follow the above discussed rules. For example, I am late, aren't I? You should not construct this as amn't I. The question tag after I am is always aren't I. Let's go home, shall we? Wait a minute, can you? Let's review the points. Remember that in the question tag, the first thing you are going to confirm whether the statement is negative or positive. If the sentence is positive, use negative tag. If the statement is negative, use positive tag. Question tag patterns. Negative tag pattern is auxiliary plus not plus subject. positive tag pattern is a auxiliary plus subject. If there is no auxiliary in the sentence, use a do, does or did forms according to the tense of the verb. Certain peculiarities in the question tag. The question tag after I am is always aren't I. The question tag after let's is shall we. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share the video.